Hello everyone. So this video is regarding the mock test for ISI entrance exam that is going to be held in the month of May. So in the first week of the month of May 2022. So for those ISI aspirants, we have conducted the mock test. So we have kept one full mock test for free, which is here. So if you come to classroom.fractionshub.com, the link of which is also given in the description below. So if you come here, you're going to find out that there is a free mock test for ISI and there is UGA as well as UGB. So if you click on that, here you get to see that. If you expand here, you'll get that instructions for UGA and then free mock test UGA and instructions for UGB, free mock test UGB. Okay, so you don't have to register for to give this mock test. It's absolutely free. No, not even you need to sign up or something. So you can, like, from anywhere you can access it. You don't have to log in anywhere. So if you open this, then you will see that the instructions is given, so you can read it and then you can click on the quiz, that is free mock test UGA. UGA is the first paper and it consists of 30 questions, as you all know, and then you can click on start quiz. So once you start quiz, the quiz will open and there will be a timer for 2 hours, and when you finish the quiz, if you don't finish the quiz, then it will automatically when the timer is when the time limit gets completed, that is 2 hours, the quiz will automatically close. Or else you can if you have finished earlier, then you can just click on finish quiz, and then there will be a page which is opening and which will show your score and average score and all the things, and it will also show you to submit your score to the leaderboard so that you can compare your scores with your friends or the others who have given the exam. If you don't want to submit your score to the leaderboard, it's fine, and below that you will find a view questions button. So if you click on that, all the questions that you have attempted, which one was correct option, whether you have marked the correct option, which option you have marked, whether it's incorrect. If it's incorrect, it will be marked as red and the correct option will be marked in green, and also below that you will find out the solutions. So all the solutions for all the 30 questions of UGA as well as all the solutions for UGB are given there. After you complete the exam, you will be able to see the solutions. So since this is a free mock test, there is no login and there is no restriction in the number of attempts. So you need to be honest with yourself. After checking out the answer, then also you can give the exam. So don't do that. Be honest with yourself. So even if you go to UGB, here there is instruction for the UGB, and then there is this. If you click on this, then again the same thing, start quiz. And for UGB, you will be given you are given 2 hours 10 minutes, because 10 minutes we give online. In online you have to submit your answer script, so you have to scan them and submit. So for that we have given 10 minutes extra. Otherwise the main exam is of 2 hours. So that's it for the free mock test. Now you can give the free mock test, and if you want more mock tests, then we have our paid program for the mock test, which just cost only 1,000 rupees. And here under classroom.fractionshub.com, you can see that you have this mock test. So if you click on it, you'll see that here, if you expand all, so mock test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each of them expand, you have UGA and UGB. Okay, so total you are going to have 10 test papers. Each mock test is going to have 2 test papers according to ISI rule, the objective and the subjective. Okay, so for this you just have to pay 1,000 rupees, and you can pay it via online. If you want offline mode or you want to do GPay or bank transfer or UPI ID transfer, you can text us. We will let you know the details. Okay, so that's it for this video, and we are also going to start our new batch from April 3rd for Maths Olympiad for ISI-CMI entrance exams. So both online and offline. So we have also opened our offline center at Hathibagan, Kolkata, and we are also going to conduct our offline batches after the COVID. So that's the update for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.